Hey everyone, so today this is just a quick video on renewing the SSL certificate on the Codercast website. Just look here, I've still got till the end of the month before it expires, but I've already gone and paid for a renewal using Namecheap. So we'll just get that installed just now. I'll just show you how to validate it using a CNAME record. So we need to enter our CSR for the certificate, and I've already got mine saved here on my server, so we'll just copy that over, and you can validate it with a validation file or an email. I prefer using the CNAME record, and I'll just submit that. Okay, so from the SSL certificate menu here, go to validation process, and then go to CSR code, and this will take you to the section here where you can change the method. If you want to do one of these, email, HTTP based, DNS based, stick with DNS based, click get record, and here we go. So I'm just going to copy this out the now, and then I'm going to go to my Amazon console. This is where I have hosted zones for all my domains. So if I just go here and look for codercasts.com, down here, and this is the record for last year, edit record, take that out, paste that in, back to Namecheap for the target, back over here, take this out, paste the new one in, click save. It's all updated. Takes about 60 seconds for this to go in sync. We can view the status here, still pending. Let's just give it a minute. And there, in sync. So if I go to done and then refresh this, it's still saying in progress, but once it's been validated, I'll automatically get an email through with the new certificate and the CA bundle certificate as well, and then we can install it on the server. Right, so that's just finally got it. That's taken a bit longer than I would have expected. That was about an hour. I done one just before this and it only took 5 minutes to come through. So just download the certificate now that we have it, and I'll just hunt for a place to download this to. Here. Okay, so from here, there it is. Open that and extract it. There we go, that's, so what I'll do is I'll just open this in Notepad++. Wow, goodness. Okay, here we go. So the CA bundle and the CRT is what we need. So just take that over, copy that, and go to VS Code. Now that was the CRT, so let's just remove that. Take that out, put the new one in. and this is the other one, the CA bundle. This one, so copy all that. No, Control Z, Control A, Control C, Control A, delete, Control V. That's all in. Now if we go to terminal, let's just do a quick config test. Syntax is okay. Restart, all okay. If we go to here, so if just double check this, make sure, yep, 28th of November 2023, close that, refresh it, connection is secure, certificate is valid, 28th of November 2024, certificate renewal is done. So that's how you do a renewal using the Namecheap SSL certificate, Linux server. Yeah, so thanks for watching. Until next time, take care.